Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an enemy pack of a killer cyborg by Onsu11, an enemy battler of an Ibaraki Doji by Ujie Masala, 7th Machina, a sci-fi themed font by Lemon Orenoyome, the Wild West of Another World, a music pack of 30 synth and orchestral tracks by Azakela. This pack also comes with around 50 user interface sound effects, and there is a game jam going on where you create and submit a short game that uses music from this pack. Next, we have an MV and MZ plugin by Mirai of Nico Gakuen that adds a system to our game where the player can collect badges. And lastly, Winding Road and Grassland Tilesets by Otokuchuru and Goche Goche Games. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.